There are 170 active dialects here in the Philippines, and three of these are the Cuyonon, Ilocano, and Ilonggo.
Cuyonon is a regional Visayan language spoken in the Philippines on the coast of Palawan. Cuyonon was the province of Palawan's lingua franca until recently when the region's migrant flow increased substantially.
Cuyonon was spoken by 40% of Palawan's entire population in the late 1980s. Later studies revealed that a considerable decline in the number of speakers due to an increase in Tagalog-speaking immigrants from Luzon.
Ilocano, on the other hand, is an Austronesian language spoken in the Philippines primarily by Ilocanos and as a lingua franca of Igorots and native inhabitants of Cagayan Valley.
Meanwhile, the term Ilonggo is derived from the original name for Iloilo City, Panay, which is Ilong-Ilong. The term Ilonggo refers to a specific group of people with ethnic origins in the provinces of Iloilo, Guimaras, and Panay, whereas Hiligaynon refers to the Ilonggo language and culture. As a result, both of these terms can apply to either the people's culture or the people themselves.
These three dialects are also spoken by some of our very own Valiants. Join us as we watch Dave and his friends' daily life and how they teach Dave their dialects in a fun way.
Kunyari, sekarang kaya tayo? Uy, sige.
Hay nako, nakakapagod talaga yung KPWKP na yan. Ang sakit sa buto.
Kaya nga, pero ang astig kasi ang dami pa rin talaga ng dialect ng Pilipinas. Diba? Kayong tatlo, may kanya-kanyang dialect din. Ikaw, Cuyonon, si Ashley naman, Ilocano, at si Angel, Ilonggo. Wow naman!
Gusto mo turuan kita ng isang salita?
Sure, gusto ko yan.
Sige masadyahan. Ibig sabihin, visit or go to. Halimbawa, madamo gid mga lugar masadyahan si Iloilo. Ang Tagalog nun ay maraming mga lugar ang mapupuntahan mo sa Iloilo. O try to pronounce it.
Madamo mga lugar ang masadyahan sa Iloilo. Masadyahan.
Okay, ulit. Isa pa.
Okay. Madamo mga lugar ang masadyahan sa Iloilo.
Yun! Nice. Dapat tandaan mo yan Pag tinanong kita bukas, dapat masabi mo yan. Hindi, lagot ka.
Oo, mo talaga. Una, ako pa ba? Ikaw, chef, ano sa'yo?
Sus, tanong-tanong ka tapos kakalimutan mo lang din. Anong use?
Wala ka bang bilib sa akin? Huwag kang mag-alala. Aalahanin ko yan.
O sige, teka. Isip mo na ako ng magandang ituro. Ayun, patikasig.
Ikaw, Dudoy, pagpatikasig ka ba sa imong pag-aradalan?
Ano naman ang ibig sabihin nun? Epikaset? Patikasek.
Patikasig. Ibig sabihin nun, magpursigi or persevere. Ang Tagalog na sinabi ko kanina ay, magpursige ka sa pag-aaral mo. In simpler terms, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng example ko kanina.
Okay. Nakuha ko na. Sa Ilocano naman tayo.
Ano bang pwede? Alam ko na, masapol.
Ano naman ibig sabihin yun? Di ba natamaan yun? Nasapol?
Hindi. Ano ba? Ang ibig sabihin nun ay need or kailangan. For example, sinabi ni Shem na masapal kutibado ng baro, ibig sabihin nun kailangan or need yan na lang ng bagong gamit. Ikaw naman.
Yun pala yun. Masapol. Okay.
Ayan, kuhang-kuha mo na. Ikaw ay kwalipikado na upang mag-iisang ganap ng multilingual na individual.
Nax! Ako lang to guys. Bilib na naman kayo sa akin.
Ang yabang mo talaga, Dave. Tara na nga, pasok na tayo. Magta-time na
Did you know that the Cuyonon tribe developed with the colonizations of the three colonizers? Firstly, the Spaniards as the longest colonizers in the island. Second, the Chinese. And lastly, the Muslims. These various cultures made way to the start and made the dialect Cuyonon.
Ilocano is the third most common dialect spoken in the Philippines, and because of its importance of Ilocano to the Northern Luzon, it is known as the national language of the North. Ilocano people had their indigenous writings, systems. Lastly, scripts, as known as Kuritan.
Hiligaynon are also referred to as Ilonggo, is a dialect used in the province of Iloilo. Hiligaynon is from Spanish, Hiliginus, which is derived from Iligan or Iliganon, meaning people of the coast, referring to a river in Panay, Iloilo. Hiligaynon intonation is famous for its gentle tilt that makes Ilonggos still appears to be gentle even when they're mad. Remember, the Philippines is a diverse and colorful place with a lot of language and cultures, making it truly unique. This dialect not only reflects the culture, heritage of their respective region, but also showcase the warmth and the camaraderie of the Filipino people. Mabuhay!